Profiting from your passion made easy. Listen, we oftentimes overcomplicate it, and you don't have to. So let's just talk about that for a quick second. When you love to do something, you know what? It becomes natural. It becomes easy for you. You won't get up every day feeling like it's a job. Am I right about that? I'm living testimony of that. See, I have a passion for videos, so I don't wake up every day thinking it's hard for me to create one. But when I do have my children around, especially the baby, it's very challenging for me to create a video, as you will hear me in the background. However, I decided to position myself in terms of prepping myself and being proactive, so when he sleeps, I can create my video. So yes, I do have a passion for it. So I use my creativity and decided that I'm going to create my video anyway. So here's the thing. I have a passion for videos, and I felt like I want to make some money over time for it. Now, this is easy for me to do because it doesn't feel like a job. As for you, I do not know what is your passion. However, likewise, you may have something that you have a passion for, but you feel like it's hard for you to make money doing it. I believe that if you're not doing the proper market research, you will have some challenges and roadblocks. But to make a long story short, as for you, you have to find these people in groups, discussion forums, right? And you have to use the search terms for what you are passionate about. And these are how you're going to find these type of people. Now, all you have to do now is to position yourself in front of them. And it's not hard, because how you're able to do that, it's through direct or indirect. When I say indirect, it's about responding to a comment, right? And to position yourself so they know that you exist. They are becoming aware of you, right? And this can turn into a lead. A direct is when you reach out to the person, send them a message, try to contact them directly. That's how you position yourself. But in most cases, we live in a world now where it's through attraction marketing. So you don't have to necessarily force yourself. You can respond indirectly until that person eventually become a lead. So what I'm saying is, it's not hard. YouTube made easy now for all of us. YouTube system now, the algorithm, if you will, is starting to program itself like social media on Facebook and Instagram. It's now converted where we have the community, whenever you do a video, or if you put like a post inside your community. I believe YouTube is now becoming a social network. I mean, it always has been, but I felt like it was hard to grow on YouTube. Now it's not anymore. So you can utilize your videos, your passion, your skills, and you come out here and you show the world what you have to offer. So you can become profitable from your passion. It's not hard again. It's just that you have to show up, right? And it's kind of like what I'm doing. I'm showing up here, and I want to show you everything that I have. So I'm going to utilize this platform to show you every single thing that I have up here and try to make money doing it. Now, I'm not going to use the word trying. I need to take off those words. We're going to make money doing it. Just like I am saying it, we're going to do it. And as for you, I do not know your passion. You could be a truck driver. You could be a hairstylist. You could be a photographer. You can be a songwriter, if you will. If you're someone that likes to show how-tos, if you will, these are your passions. So it shouldn't be hard for you to show someone. It's kind of tedious though to start the camera, especially I don't know your circumstance, your situation, and how the time goes for you. But I know it can work for you. I just want to show up for you. So if I can do it, you too can do it. Put your passion out here, monetize it, become profitable. And I want to leave you with that tip today. I decided that I'm coming back out here. You may see me in the classroom soon because I'm going back to work. But I'm like, for the little time I have and Josiah's sleeping, let's just get a video out here, because as a mom, it's hard. Like, I'm not even going to go around the bush. It's hard. So I'll see you around, my friend.